Hi, welcome to MSR Fitness Center. I'm Jason. Today we'll be doing Strong by Zumba class, joining by my friend David and Melvin. So Strong by Zumba is a high-intense interval training. So if you have any injury regarding about your legs or any part of your body, I want you to stay, just watch. Or if you want to do, you can take it a little bit easy. So we'll start up with the warm-up, and we are going to do only 30 minutes. So we are not going to do the full class, is 60 minutes. So we'll do only 30 minutes of class today. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay, now we'll start up with the warm-up.
Hey.
Reach, rotate.
Hey.
Come on guys, you can do it.
Hey.
Remember, this is just a warm-up.
Hey.
Other side, change.
Hey.
Reach, rotate. Yes. Sideways, up. Yes. One arm. Half squat. Double arm. Okay, now we'll travel on this side. And step touch. Okay, now we are going to add it up. Add it up. Reach. Yes. Reach out. Half squat. One more time. Now we are going to add it up again. Courtesy lunges with side planche. Courtesy, side planche. Yes, we are stretching our legs. This side. Side planche. Courtesy, side planche. Okay, now half squat, rotation. We are going to stretch our back. Yes. Back, forward. Other side. Back. Great job, team. Back. Yes. Now we are going to stretch our sideways. Same arm. 4 times. Other side. Okay, now side to side. 4 more times. Run. Add a little bit run. You don't need to run too high. Okay, now we'll speed it up. Speed it up. Great job, team. Okay, now reach. Huh, come on. Huh. Yes. If you want, you can shout. Huh. Huh. Now, elbow hook. Huh. Punch with your elbow. Engage your core. Huh. Come on. Huh. Uppercut. Target on the chin. Imagine you're fighting with someone standing in front of you. You target on their chin. Other side, change. Okay, now we are done with warm-up. How you feel it? Feeling good? Okay, now we are starting up with the quadrant 1. Ignite. Lunges, lunges, squat. Reverse lunge, reverse lunge, squat. Yes. Forward. Back. Reverse. Reverse. Back. Forward. This is going to be your legs and your chest challenge. 1, 2, this side. Uppercut. Yes. Huh. Huh. Come on, guys. Shout. Huh. Huh. Come on, team. Huh. Huh. Okay, now jump squat. Sorry, guys. Can you feel your legs burning? Okay, get down. Half push-up, scissor. Hold. 4 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Another 4 times. Last. Get up. 1, 2, 3, strike. 3 forward punch. Huh. Huh. Yes, come on. Good job, team. Come on. Knee strike. 1, 2, 3. Ha! Come on. Okay. Next move. Uppercut. 1, 2. This side. Huh. 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 Come on, team. Huh. Huh. Come on, shout. Huh. Huh. Jump squat. Okay, next move. We have a mountain climber with animal flow side kick. Get down. Mountain climber. Come on, team. Kick. Back. Kick. Back. Kick. Back. Kick. Mountain climber. Come on. Do it. Okay. Kick. Kick. Back. Kick. Back. Kick. Back. Kick. Back. Get up. Okay. Lunge. Squat. Reverse. Can you feel your legs pumping up? Forward. Okay, last. Okay, forward punch. Straight punch. Engage your core. Okay, uppercut this side. 16 times. Come on. Change. Uppercut. 1, 2. Okay, we are done with quadrant 1. Now we'll have a quick recharge. If you want, you can have a water or wipe off your sweat like this. Or if you have a knit well, you can use it. So we are going to start with Quadrant 2 again. Soon. This is your recharge. On recharge, we don't sit, we keep on walking. Okay, next move, Katana Strike. One leg forward, one leg at the back. You guys ready? Grab, move back, slice. Imagine you're holding a katana, you slice those bottom along. Imagine you're a ninja right now. Let's jump a little bit. Okay, this side. Knee up. Up. Up, back, forward, back. Yes. High knee run. Slap. High knee run. Slap. Non-stop. Come on. Great job, team. Yes. This side. Up. High knee run. Step. High knee run. Step. Come on, guys. Okay, other side. Katana Strike. Grab, slice. Are you guys tired? Come on. Great job. Come on. Slice. Yes. Come on, David. Yes. Okay, this side. Knee up. High knee run. Step. High knee run. Step. Non-stop step. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. This side. Woohoo! Come on. High knee run. Come on, guys. Can do it. Step. Come on, team. It's so much fun. Come on. Okay, we are done with track 1. Second track coming up. Punch this side. Non-stop. Come on. Non-stop. Okay, guys, if you cannot do this, you can just do it like this. Jump rope. Come on. Imagine you're holding a skipping rope. Jump. Come on. Jump. Come on, guys. Sorry. Okay. Now, uppercut. Knee strike. Got it? Okay, let's go. 3, 2, Huh. Come on. Jump. Huh. 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 Okay, this side, same move. We are going to repeat it. Non-stop. Come on, guys. If you can do it, you can do it like this. Bounce, punch like this. And like this. Remember to move your footstep. Okay, jump rope. Imagine you're holding a skipping rope. Swing side to side. Come on. If you cannot do it, you can do it like this. Option. Okay, now uppercut. Okay, we are going to do a little bit base and advanced move. Knee strike. If you cannot do it, don't jump. If you can do it, jump like me. Guys, remember the front kick. Okay, now. Come on, guys, I want to see it. Yes, great job. Now, we are going for a recharge, quick recharge. After that, we are going to come back with quadrant 3. So on recharge, we keep on walking it like this. So there's no water break. You can have a water, but not much. Just a sip of water will be fine, because you will have a dehydration otherwise. So we are going to start at quadrant 3. Okay. Got it? Okay, use legs. Come on, guys. A little bit faster. Jump, squat, hold, jump back 4 times. 3, 2, 1. Jump, squat, hold. Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, come on, guys. 4, 3, 2. Okay, got it? Okay, let's get down. Sideways. Slowly. Jump back. Up. Back. Up. Other side. Back. Up. Back. Up. A little bit faster. Up. 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 Get up. Same move. Yes. A little bit faster. Jump. Burpees. Back. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Option. If you cannot do it, go on like this. 4. Yes, one more. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we are going to add it up. Watch me first. Jump. Burpees. 4, 3, 2. Burpees. 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Great job, team. We are done with track number 1. Second track. Okay, let's punch on this side. Face forward this side. Are you guys ready? Okay. Fighting position. Straight. Uppercut. Straight. Uppercut. Faster. Okay, now we are going down. Side tap. Double legs, a little bit faster. Okay, if you cannot do it, you can still do a go on with like this. Come on, guys. Get up. 1, huh. Got it? Huh. Here, huh. Got it? Come on, I want you to see it. Huh. Huh. Now let's jump. Huh. 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 Okay, now we are going to add it up. Face forward this leg. Huh. 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 Come on. Huh. Kick. Yes, good job. Come on. Yes. Straight punch. Straight. Up. Okay, now get down. Woo! Double leg. Come on, guys. Okay, now get up. Knee up. Huh. Strike. Huh. Strike. Huh. Little bit faster. Huh. 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 Okay, now this side with the kick. Huh. 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 Come on. Kick. Come on, guys. Kick. Okay, now we are done with quadrant 3. We are left with one quadrant. Quadrant 4, lay on the floor. Now it's time to recharge. We'll take a mat and we are going to do the floor play. Got it? Okay, keep on marching it. You can grab your water, have a sip, and take your mat. Single legs down, down, up, down, up. Got it? Okay, now let's do it. Single legs down, up, down, up. Down, up. Come on guys, this is your core workout. Can you feel your core burning on it? Down, up. Yes, come on guys, you can do it. This is your last track. Okay, now punches. First set, legs up. Okay, head should not touch the ground. Come on guys, you can do it. After this, remember the first move, legs down and up, coming up. Okay, now hands up, down, up. Single legs down, up, down, up. If you are a first timer, don't give up. Keep on playing the video, try to learn the moves. Or you can go on to www.strongnation or strongbyzumba.com to find the classes where you can go for the class. Strong by Zumba is a 60 minutes workout. So today we are doing only 30 minutes of workout. Legs up, first set. Hands should not touch the ground. Can you feel your core burning? You can write on your t-shirt or on your vest, six pack coming soon. Okay, single legs down, up, same move, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, there is no right and wrong between going down on your legs. Okay, first set. Okay, we are done with quadrant 4. Now we are going up. It's time for the stretch. Okay, breathe in. Breathe in with your nose. Breathe out with your mouth. At the front. One more. Okay, now we are going to stretch our arms. Stretch our arms. Other side. Okay, now your tricep.
Gonna send a flag, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised.
Okay, other
I am
side.
who I'm meant to be.
Okay, now we are going down.
I'm not scared to be seen. I make no
And walk up.
apologies. This is me.
Stretch your shoulders and your back. And forward. And back.
Another round of bullets hits my
And
skin.
forward.
We'll fire away, 'cause today I won't let the
Okay, now
shit sink in.
bend down.
We
Cross
are
your arms.
racing through the barricades and reaching for the sun. Yeah,
Other side.
that's what we've become. Won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for love.
Okay, now go on like this. I'll stand like this.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down,
Up and down.
I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown my heart.
Going up
I am brave, I
and
am
down.
bruised, I am who I'm meant to be.
Okay,
This is me.
now get back up. We are going to stretch on our legs.
And I'm marching on to the beat of drum.
Side stretch.
I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is
Other
me.
side. In the middle. Okay, get up. Okay, legs like this. Pull it.
And I know that
And to touch your pelvis.
there's nothing
Other side.
when the sharpest words
Okay,
wanna cut me down.
now. Okay, legs up.
Gonna send a flood, gonna drown them out.
Other side.
This is brave, this is proof, this is who I'm meant to be. This is me.
Okay, now let's work on our hips. Other side. Okay, shake it. Shake it off. Okay. Stretch. There. Sideways. Other side. Okay, we are done. Thank you all for joining us. And don't forget to subscribe and like that button. See you all.